Introducing the SawStop Jobsite Saw Pro. Engineered and built to exceed the tough demands of professional builders, the Pro leads the way in safety, dust collection, table capacity, adjustability, storage, and more. The SawStop Jobsite Saw Pro is engineered to deliver precision adjustment quickly. Raise or lower the blade in only one turn. Simply squeeze to tilt the balanced trunnion for angle adjustments, and let go to lock in at 1 degree increments. For fine adjustments, a quick turn of the micro tilt delivers infinite variability. This saw is engineered for ease of use, even while it's working to protect your fingers. The oversized start-stop paddle is easy to find, even in an emergency. Turn on bypass mode to test for conductive materials and to cut them as needed. This is the only portable saw with an inboard storage drawer for your essential accessories. No more losing items in transport. Quickly access your guard, miter gauge, and more, and stow confidently for future use. The Jobsite Saw Pro delivers the most precise cutting experience in portable table saws, with expansive table size, a zero-clearance insert, and a true SawStop T-glide fence. Along with the deeper table, the Pro features an easy, innovative, quick-latching low fence face for thin rips and a class-leading blade guard featuring active dust collection. The patented SawStop safety system stops the blade within 5 milliseconds of skin detection, dramatically reducing injuries. Most just get a scratch. The brake cartridge can be quickly and easily replaced for dado cuts, and after activation reset takes as little as 90 seconds with no damage to the saw. Press the pedal and the Pro's stand collapses. Large wheels cover rough terrain quickly and easily, and the stand's compact size allows convenient storage in your truck, trailer, or garage. The SawStop Jobsite Saw Pro, unmatched safety and performance for the professional builder.